I want to talk you through some of the best Q1 journals and planners that you can start creating right now so that you do not miss out on that New Year buzz. Some of these items may also be giftable, so let's get started on them immediately. Today, I'm going to be sharing with you one of my favorite research tools. Now, usually I go on and on about BookBolt, but sometimes you need to dig a little bit deeper. So today we are going to be using Answer the Public. Now this was a software that was created by Neil Patel, a huge YouTuber, knows so much about industry, about content creation, about everything. I've been following him for some time and I absolutely love this software. So let's head onto the computer and we can see what it's going to recommend for us. Now what I'm going to type in, I want to have a look and see what people are searching for in their New Year's resolutions. And this is going to be how we're going to set up and plan for our journals. So let's start searching for New Year resolutions. And now what it's going to do is it's going to have a look what people are searching for over on the internet. And then it's going to make it into a really lovely, easy pie chart. Not all of it's going to be relevant to us, but some of it will be highly relevant. So let's take a look over on Answer the Public and see what it will come up with in terms of ideas for journals and planners, and see if it kind of gives us any kind of categories that perhaps we haven't thought about. So basically now it's just going to have a look through the internet and see what people are searching for using these keywords. Okay, so highly searched is going to be this kind of pinker pink. Averagely searched is a pale pink, and the lowest search is the lighter pink. So we're starting off with the darker pink so we can have a little look. So we've got planners and diaries. Can writing help with anxiety? So some kind of like mental health awareness, that kind of thing. Mindfulness might be quite good. Difference between diaries and planners. Which? Where to buy, Zinnia, journal for school, journal planner for school, journal planning and environmental law, journals with stickers, planners and diary, journals plain. So that's quite interesting as well. So just a plain journal. And as you can see, that's actually quite a dark one there. And then down here, Island app, a journal and planner combo. And then here we've got like an alphabetical breakdown as well. So actually a combo seems quite good there. Journal and planner combo. Journal planning, educational research. That was the app. Ireland. Journals and planners just there. This is like our cost per click. So it's letting you know how much if you were going to put advertising in. This is another thing as well. So if you're creating a journal or a planner, you can actually convert what you've made for KDP and actually sell it as a digital product over on something like Etsy. So that's always worth bearing in mind. Q&A journal with stickers, related journals and planners. Wholesale best men's journal and planner, also quite highly searched. Luxury, custom, obviously that's a bit tricky, KDP doing customized ones, but there are ways around it. Let's have a look if we just search now New Year planners. New Year planner. So with Answer the Public, there is a free trial whereby you get free searches per day, but you can also then upgrade your account. I really love the way that it actually gives you comparisons. So these are the different categories: comparisons, alphabeticals, related, and then you get that visualization. Like, I really like the chart. It really makes it quite simple for me to see. Okay, so questions, New Year planner, loading up here. How to make a New Year planner, how to plan for the new year, what to put in a yearly planner, what year is Platinum Jubilee, planning for the new year, where is New Year next, and where is New Year now in the world. Oh, this is a really good one. I love this. So, new job planner, New Year planning for couples. So a couples planner might be a useful one. New Year planner, New Year plant hunt, New Year near me, New Year's plans and quotes, New Year's planning for couples again, how to plan for the new year planning for couples again, new year planner ideas, and a planner without the year, which is also a really popular one because each year then you can just keep reselling that same planner. So it's like a diary that's undated. That's all it is. New Year Planner 2023, New Year Planner Diary, Best Year Planner App, Best Year Planner, Mid-Year. Now, Best Year Planner might be a really good one in terms of your keywords. That's what I'm thinking there. A Mid-Year Organizer, Yearly Organizer, Best Year Planner App, Planner versus Diary, and then we've got our alphabeticals. New Year Planner, Amazon, straight away. New Year Business Planning has got good search results as well, so business planners. Yearly Calendar Planner, New Year Planning for couples, New Year Financial Planning, New Year Party Planning. That might be quite a good Q4 one. So you could do like a festive planner. So you could have it, for example, if you're going down the American market, you could look at Thanksgiving, Christmas, New Year's. That would really work. You've got family planning, family planner, Chinese New Year planner ideas, planning guide. You've got your New Year goal planner. So you could do like a planner or a journal that tracks the goals that you're setting. So whether you want to do daily, weekly, monthly, yearly goals. So that planner is kind of getting you towards that. Personally, I'd say it's more of a journal, but yeah. New job planner, plant planner as well, planning guide, New Year's Eve party. There are so many different ones. New Year's sale planner. So sales planning could be really big. So I think there is so much there that you could really dive into. Something that I hadn't considered before was the couples planner or journal. So I'm just going to type that into Amazon and see if that comes up with any search results, because I think that might be quite interesting. Let's have a look and see what comes up. So much higher than I'd ever really thought. It's not something that I would have thought of at all. And actually, some of these are really lovely. The Ultimate Couples, Weekly Household Organizer, Undated, the Wedding Planners, of course, yeah. Budget Planners, so we can really go to town there. Date Night Book, 60 Scratch Off Ideas, Ultimate Bucket List for married couples. So this is like really opening up lots more things. Another Weekly Couples Planner. Let me type in here for Weekly Couples Planner and just see how that affects the search results. So now that we've got 2,000 search results, we can really start to see here that there is definitely a bit more of a niche. So actually there's not too many around there, but I do like the different options. Something like this as well, if you're wanting to get into more of that higher content, I think that's really good. Couples Weekly Planner. And I'm also just going to try Couples Budget Planner as well, because actually I think if you're living together, I think that's a really good thing to take a look in. So now we're down to that 1,000. There we go. These are good. So it could be used then as something like a wedding expense. A lot of these you'll notice are spiral bound, which you can't offer that option on Amazon KDP. But if you do look to some other companies, you can then get the spiral bound option. But some of these have got some really good search results. So there's no reason why you couldn't make it on KDP. You couldn't sell it through that. So I think that's a really good niche as well. So let's just summarize a little bit. So a few planners and journals that we've kind of seen today. I think definitely the New Year plant tracker. So it could be like a gardening journal, something where you say what plants need doing at certain times in the month. You've got the couples budget planner or just a weekly planner. We've also got the habit tracker, we've got the goals tracker, we've got the new business planner for the year, we've got your wedding planners. We have got so many different types, and in Q1 these will all go mad. If you're thinking about wedding planning, so many people will get engaged and start thinking to plan a wedding in the new year. So I really hope that I've inspired you to go out there, start doing some research and find a niche that you can make a difference in.